dreamed I was missing. You were so scared, but no one would listen, 'cause no one else cared. After my dreaming, I woke with this fear. What am I leaving? We're done here. So if you're asking me, I want you to know, when my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Don't resent me, and when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Don't be afraid of taking my beating. I've shed, but I'm me. I'm strong on the surface, not all the way through. I've never been perfect, but neither have you. So if you're asking me, I want you to know,
Killtacular.
when my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Don't resent me, and when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Forgetting all the hurt inside you've learned to hide so well. Pretending someone else can come and save me from myself. I can't be who you are. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Don't resent me, and when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Forgetting all the hurt inside you've learned to hide so well. Pretending someone else can come and save me from myself. I can't be who you are. I can't be who you are.
Till the next ceasefire.
Get out, you can't be in here. You have to get out. Why are you here? Please. You're all going to die down here.
It's life or death, either one. The king is back, take heed and run. I piss and take a shit on your beat for fun. I killed the game, I ain't even use a gun. Who better than me? Don't make me laugh. I run the shit, they just chase my ass. I ain't talking shit, nigga, just telling the facts. I think all the tracks I'm hearing from niggas is whack. I be hearing these niggas, what they saying they rhyme. I took my spot, nobody gave me mine. I make the beats that boom 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 in they trunks. You disagree, homie, then go on and jump. You can bump your gums, you can say what you want. That's all you gon' do, cause you niggas is punk. I'm number one, you ain't none but shit. When they need a hit, I'm who they come to get. Talk to me. If you got love for me, I got love for you. If you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. We can do it however you wanna do. Nigga, if you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. Go ahead, kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself, go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself.
If I was you, I would've feel myself.
Go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself, go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself.
If I was you, I would've feel myself. I'm tired of niggas. Niggas is tired. You ain't a G. I see bitch in your eyes. If you close to me, you supposed to be. But most of you rap niggas is hoes to me. Wherever you from, the question I ask is, do you think I give a fuck? Where to meet at? Visit my hood and you dump into hell and back. This industry shit hell with that. I seen them come, I seen them go. I doubt if you can show me something I ain't seen before. You supposed to be in charge, I need to know. When I shake your hand, I'ma step on your toe. Go get your gun, go get your click. I'ma be right here chillin' with your bitch. You mad at me, cause I'm getting rich. Well, put the pussy to your head and empty the clip, fuck nigga.
If you got love for me, I got love for you. If you don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. We can do it however you wanna do. Nigga, if you don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. Go ahead, kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself. Go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself.
If I was you, I wouldn't feel myself.
Go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself. Go kill yourself, kill yourself, kill yourself.
If I was you, I wouldn't feel myself.
I see my heart, feel my pain. Some is stars, some is lames. How they follow little trends to get their fame. I ain't snap my damn fingers to get in the game. You claim you rich, show me son. If you got so many dollars, then loan me one. Fools think they killers, they own a gun. When you know you bout as sweet as a honey bun. Trashy broads, buying a bar. Like you that dude, you're frontin' hard. VIP bands don't make you a star. Like we really still don't know who the fuck you are. Don't talk behind my back, just call me nigga. Move my heart to the side, make room to forgive you. If you still wanna hang, we'll come to get you. Put the rope around your neck, jump my nigga.
Get out, you can't be in here. You're all going to die down here.
None. Dang it. All right.